Every video about AI second brains starts the same way, usually with a high energy host promising the world. Then they jump into a screen recording of complex software, moving way too fast to follow. Usually, it's paired with a massive title like, "This changed my life." I'm going to do the opposite today. Let's talk about the substance behind the hype. For the next 10 minutes, I'm making a promise. No tools, no software names, just the idea. Because once you get the core idea, the tools turn out to be the easy part. When it clicks, you'll see your business differently. That shift is worth more than any software. I'm Pete Riccozzi. I run Exit Loop, where we specialize in business logic and efficiency. We help service businesses find and close operational gaps you might not even see. These gaps quietly cost companies $200,000 to $800,000 a year. And the single highest return thing I've built this year, it isn't a new funnel. It's a second brain. This video is the plain English version of what that actually means. By the end, you'll understand why this is a fundamental shift in managing knowledge. Your business already has a brain. You couldn't function without one. The problem isn't the brain itself. It's how fragmented it's become. Some of it lives in your inbox, buried in a thread from March you meant to flag. Some of it lives in a Drive folder named New Folder 7 because you were in a rush. And let's be honest, a lot of it lives in your head, which is why you can't take a real vacation. But worst of all, critical intelligence lives in one employee's head, a dangerous knowledge silo. Quick test. Really sit with this question for a second. If your best employee won the lottery tomorrow and never came back, what would happen? How much of your critical knowledge walks out the door? How much just vanishes? For most owners, the answer is somewhere between a lot and I'd rather not think about it. But here's the good news. That's not a people problem. It's a structural issue. It's a filing problem. The knowledge exists, it's just not accessible to the business. The knowledge is there, how you quote jobs or speak to patients. It's in the things you said on that call in April, or why you stopped that promotion. Right now, it's scattered across 6 digital systems and 4 different skulls. And because it's fragmented, nothing in your business can see all of it at once. That unified view, that central nervous system, is the entire premise of what we call a second brain. It is the infrastructure for your collective intelligence. An AI second brain is really just 2 things put together. It's simple. It's the combination of a perfect filing system and a tireless reader. 1. Your business knowledge, gathered into one organized, structured digital vault. This is the foundation of your company's intelligence. This includes procedures, call notes, and meeting summaries, the data of your daily function that often gets lost in the shuffle. It's your pricing, your proposals, your historical wins and losses, all of the information that makes your business unique. It's the institutional knowledge that normally only exists in people's heads. It's capturing the magic and making it accessible. And 2, an AI that has read all of it. 1, intimately familiar with your business. It's not generic, it's tailor-made for your operations. Here's the best analogy I've found for what this feels like. Imagine you had an employee who never sleeps and never forgets a single detail. Imagine you hired someone who read every single email you've ever sent. They know exactly how you talk to every single client. This person sat in on every meeting and memorized every procedure. They understand the why behind every decision you've made. They know every price you've ever quoted. They are the ultimate corporate historian, keeping your legacy alive and searchable. And unlike a human, they never forget. They never call in sick. They provide a level of consistency that is truly transformative. They're available at 2 in the morning when you're lying awake thinking about payroll. They are always there to answer your questions. That's a filing system with a very fast reader attached. Technology working for you, freeing up your time for higher level work. And notice, the hard part isn't the AI. The AI is now a commodity. Anyone can access it. The real value is in your data. Setting up the AI takes an afternoon. The real work is something else. It's the preparation and the strategy that matters. The hard part is the gathering. It's taking that raw knowledge and preparing it for the future of your business. It's getting knowledge out of messy inboxes and into one place the AI can process. It's turning chaos into a structured asset. Everyone thinks the AI is the magic. They think a secret algorithm will save them, but the magic is already in your business. The filing is the magic. The organization is your competitive advantage. It's what allows you to scale without adding more headcount. The AI is just the first employee fast enough to read your whole business. It allows you to leverage your own data in ways that were previously impossible. So practically speaking, what actually goes into this second brain? Think of the stuff you'd hand a brilliant new hire if you had unlimited time. Start with your procedures. Even the rough ones written in shorthand. Then add call and meeting notes. What was actually said and decided? Include your services and pricing, exactly what you sell and to whom. Add in examples of your work, closed proposals, and high response emails. And finally, the answers to those 10 questions your customers ask every single week. None of that is exotic material. You already have all of it right now. It's just spread across your business like confetti. The second brain turns it into signal. And a second brain is not another chatbot subscription. It's much deeper. A chatbot that hasn't read your business gives generic answers to everyone. That's useless. In the next video, we'll show you how to fix that for good. It's also not another app to check. You don't need more tabs open. And it's not another app to check. We want to simplify your workflow. Done right, it's the opposite of another app. It's the back end that makes everything simpler and more connected for your entire team. The payoff shows up in 3 places, and it shows up fast. First, answers stop depending on availability. No waiting for Steve. Checking last year's quote becomes a 10-second question, not a 3-hour archaeology dig. Second, your writing stops sounding robotic. No more generic openings. The AI starts sounding like you because it has read how you actually talk. Third, and this is the big one, you find out what your business actually knows. Most owners have never seen their operation in one place. When you do, you find money. You'll see missed opportunities and forgotten follow-ups. It turns on the lights. The first time you see this, you'll find value hidden in plain sight. It gives you back control and clarity you might have lost years ago. You finally have a partner that knows as much about your business as you do. So that's the core idea. One organized library, one very fast reader. We're focusing on the concept because the tools will change, but the need will not. Next video, why your AI gives generic answers and the 10-minute fix. Spoiler, the model isn't broken. It just doesn't know you exist yet. If this jargon-free version was useful, hit the subscribe button. This is just the first in a 5-part series. I'll see you in the next one. I'm Pete Riccozzi with Exit Loop. Thanks for watching.